Columbia Crater Peak Rolling Ice Chest. Although this is not at the top of the list, the Columbia Crater Peak Rolling Ice Chest is the best beach cooler with sand wheels. The Columbia Crater Peak feels more like a rolling cart but is very durable. Measurements on this cooler are 16 by 10 by 13.5 inches, which give you a lot of internal space for packing. The cooler collapses easily and the handle height is reasonable for some taller people. The inner lining is removable and entirely leak-proof. The wheels are removable, which is one of the reasons it's the best cooler that rolls on sand. You can pull the wheels off and clean them out, any sand stuck in between them without issues. As a beach option, the removable wheels, collapsible body, and easy cleaning, this is the best cooler that rolls on sand. You can easily store this cooler in a trunk bed or pack it and unpack it as necessary. This cooler with wheels works well for backpacking day trips, as you can start your day out with what you need and then collapse the cooler when you're done.